Let me tell you, man, they don't call it Hot Atlanta for nothing. Boy, it's hot down here, like always hot. Like 8 out of 7 days, it's gonna be hot. Unless it rains, it's still gonna be hot. But let me show y'all. There ain't no electric in here, but I don't even know why I'm trying to make this video. This thing is lame. It needs some fenders though. I don't know what somebody was doing here, but it's a crease on both sides. I don't think nobody tried to put rims on. You know, they pull the fender out when they do that, and that boat's still on there. So I don't think that's what the case was. But somebody did have some rims on. You can tell from the scrubbing right there. Yeah, right there. But this thing is like pretty good to me. Gonna need this window trim. Good thing is fits all 80 through 90. So I actually got one. It's from the brown. If I don't sell it, I mean the other one, the gold one. If I don't sell it, I just take it from that. Or I can always just go to the yard and pull it since I found out how to take these trims off. Yeah, this is the part on the door that I was talking about. I'll show you. Like somebody slammed the door from up here. And then there's some little rust in it. Let me show you. Cut the light on. So, yeah, that's bad. That's why I came with the new doors. Interior looked like garbage, but like I say, I ain't paid too much for it. I feel like I paid a decent amount as far as what I got. These back seats, somebody bolted the back seat belt under there. I'm really go right there. So that's something I gotta figure out. Do I just put that bolt in or what? Because I ain't got no two-door to look at and reference. These seats, man, I got an idea, but I don't really want to speak of it yet because I don't know if it's gonna go through. If anybody has two-door parts, definitely let me know. I need window switch. Need this. The old door panel would be nice. Matter of fact, that other door might actually have some of that stuff. And these doors heavy too, so I don't know how I'm gonna put it on. I need the whole bottom bracket. I'd rather get both. That look like trash. I might get a double den kit, but I like putting double dens in there, but I don't like having a console and all that space right there. So it's a big oil stain. I already know what that's from. That's when people run these, and then the oil, the plastic, they put the plastic oil tube on there. It connects to the oil adapter, and it busts and it leaks. And you can see inside it's leaking. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what that is. So the whole carpet gotta be replaced. Factory computer still in over there. It's coming out. Give me some new fresh carpet. Seats gonna get cleaned up. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Hopefully it's still hot when I actually get a chance to touch it, cause yeah, they're a mess. They could use some paint though. I mean, I really don't want to drive this car at all. See if like I like where I want it. Column loose. So I'm gonna have to find one of them at the yard or something. Got a wood grain wheel. That's a plus. I have a gray steering wheel too from the second box Chevy I had a while ago. Yeah, this carpet is trash, man. Trash. Got base knob in here. Yep. You see it. That telephone looking cable. I thought this dash was 87 to 90, but I don't know. Somebody probably did a dash swap. The clock is gone. That's usually right here. The clock or Capri sign. Somebody ran tweeters. Yep. See, look thing. Got an eyelid on it. AC don't work. That's something I gotta figure out. All the holes and everything was gone. Let's see. Yeah, y'all see it, man. Back ain't nothing too pretty. Came with 4 6x9s, mismatch. Probably make a speaker pod or something out of it. I'm waiting on this guy to come bring my bedroom set. So that's why I came over here. I'm gonna stick it right here. Come get it once I get this moving truck. burnt up. I ain't too sure what I'm gonna do about that. It's like, it was like no bubbles when I felt it the other day, but now I'm noticing it might have some rust on here, so I'm gonna have to take that off and situate all that. Need headliner crack, so I'm gonna have to fill that up with some foam before I actually put headliner on there. But I'm thinking I want to do a 3-stage. I don't really know. We'll figure it out. Let me make sure I got service in case you got a car. Yep, I got all bars. Some of this trim in the trunk, some of it MIA, I guess. I don't really care too much about the trim. Everybody do because it's a salon day. Yeah, it's salon. It gotta have the trim, but I mean, me, I just wanted a 2-door. I didn't care if it was this or not. So I don't really care too much about the trim because you're missing. Like, man, I got that though. You got both of these on. Like I said, I don't really care, man. 2-door, it's clean. That's all I want. Bumper filler missing. I actually got one. The impact strip. Can't find that. And this is an 86. You got the Euro swap on it. The grill coming out there. I might just hold off with Tierra and put it on here, or switch them out. I don't know what I'm gonna do. The sound system, I was thinking about it. As far as color, man, I was thinking silver on here. I think silver will hit. Motor trans combo, y'all drop ideas. What I had in mind, I don't really want to say because every time I say something, it don't fall through. But I had something pretty expensive in mind because I know that this ain't gonna be nothing fast, so it'll be cool. Let me open this trunk. So I got a dry shaft, I got the door trim, radiator. It's a cap in there. Definitely throw that out. And then look, this like a lot of the Hyundai trim that go around. I don't know what's all missing. I'll go through it one day, but I ain't too much worried about it right now. I knew somebody did that, like put the clip on, and then put all the nuts and bolts on it. But like I say, man, this car is real clean. Every time some audio guys touch these cars, man, they start digging in the floor and stuff like that. Molded this in the floor, but no rust, of course. Like that's a big plus because the body work in it be taking a long time. And the body's pretty straight. The new door is pretty straight. That's saying no rust. But yeah, I'm gonna actually go through this, try to do everything best of my abilities, man. I've been waiting on 2-door for a long time, bro. A long time. This like the crappy color is blackish blue. I definitely going blue because we got the blue one already. Shocks work on the trunk. Like I said, I don't know what all trim missing, but this side is complete. And maybe the other side is over there. Yeah, this bad. Pop the hood one time. I will start the list. Oh yeah, let me show y'all. Y'all see them shop pieces in there? AutoZone pieces. Right there. Don't do that. Pop off and hit your tire, hit your something. That could be bad. And if you do it, you gotta offset. You gotta put one in front and then one in the other. They put two like side by side, and it's basically making the spring do this. So it's bulging out. It's just waiting to pop off. They loosen up after time, like every time you hit bumps, they just loosen, unless you weld it. But still, it need to be offset. It don't need to be side by side. And you only supposed to put 2 per spring, but a lot of people be stacking them up, man. All you gotta do is put some new springs in there, and you'll be good. Yeah, this is the tube I was talking about for the oil. Once they bust, it'll leak everywhere. So I'm going digital. I ain't doing that. They left the power steering on, so once it's turned, it won't leak all everywhere. Fuel was leaking, so I'm just put a bolt in there. Yeah, so that's a decent little walkthrough for y'all. Y'all see the wire and joints, see that stuff everywhere. So yeah, all in all, man, it's a pretty clean car. Yeah, I only came back over here because I noticed I didn't show the bottom of the car. Yeah, this one reason why I need the doors. That one broke at the top, this one ended up down here. And then yeah, like I said, the fenders, both, somebody was doing something for the lift, I'm sure. But see y'all frame in the bottom, man, it's like nothing. That's crazy, like seeing cars straight from the Midwest. This is like beautiful. Like look at the floors. That back floor, you always have some pit. Usually always. Front floor be out of there. Yeah, man, it's all there. Pretty clean. That's why I wasn't really bugging about the price, man. But I like buying them, not running. Show that process of how to make it run or whatever I do to it. That's just me though, that's just what I like. A lot of people don't like it. They don't know how to do it. But I don't know who did the work on that. I don't know nothing about it, man. So it didn't run. And then the trans was slipping. So I say you got them both, you know. This is me though. I'd rather play with my own stuff than somebody else's. Because if I drop my stuff in there right now, like I got a 305, I got a 5.3 that came out of Why Not card. I can drop that in there and be running like no time. So that's why I say I just take it how I take it. As a roller, I can get it running in no time. But I ain't trying to stick nothing basic in there. Let y'all drop them comments, see what y'all thinking. Can't wait to get all this stuff to the house. It's gonna be a nice day once I do all that.